109 Dodge.
109, go ahead.
109 Dodge, I'll be 1042, and K-9 Tech, badge number 243, will be 1042 for his final shift.
Attention all units, Deputy K-9 Tech is 1042 for his final tour of duty today, Friday, March 3rd. We would like to thank K-9 Tech for his 38 and a half dog years, otherwise known as 5.5 years of distinguished service to the Dodge County Sheriff's Office, and to your handler, Lieutenant Nails. Thank you, Tech, for serving the citizens of Dodge County with over 98 arrests, 314 deployments, ensuring the safety of our deputies and other agencies each and every shift, and making sure your partner went home safely every night. You can now take your well-deserved rest, chase rabbits instead of bad guys, enjoy your well-deserved belly rubs and back scratches. Your pet presence will be greatly missed. Go enjoy being a dog, bullying Titan and protecting Trey and Sissy. Good boy, Tech, aka Bubba, good boy. 1042 at 1503.